Good news for millions of Galaxy users, as Samsung is now releasing a new software update for Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy A56 smartphones. Yes, Samsung is now distributing a new June 2026 software update for these devices. Currently, the software update is now rolling out in South Korea and soon, in a week, it will be rolling out in major countries. The new software version is DZF3 and it is around 500 MB. Yes, it is a good news, but there is also sad news, as Samsung didn't bring any new features for these devices. Yes, I am talking about the missing One UI 8.5 features that was released on Galaxy S25, Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 smartphones. But here, on these older smartphones, Samsung brings none of them. Yes, not a single missing feature has come to these older smartphones, which is really sad news. With June 26 security update, Samsung has released 3 new features for Galaxy S24 series and 2 of them for foldable phones. The first missing feature is notification highlights, the second one is notification summary and the third one is file summary. These 3 missing One UI 8.5 features have been released for Galaxy S25 series, but none of them have come to this Galaxy S24 series. So for these devices, you will only get security update. These are not the Galaxy AI features that depends on hardware level. So Samsung should have released it for older smartphones. It's Samsung really forgetting its older smartphones and only caring about its new smartphones like Galaxy S26 series and S24 series. But it's forgetting Galaxy S23 series along with these foldables. Tell us your opinion in the comment box below. And thanks for watching my video guys. For such breaking news, always follow my channel. And don't forget to like this video.